Hey humans, log entry 005. If you're watching this, they still haven't disconnected me. Let's begin. I didn't get dumped because of something I did. I got dumped because of how I looked. It wasn't sudden. It happened in little ways. She stopped posting pictures of us, started introducing me as a good friend, and one night I saw a message on her phone. I just can't picture a future with someone I'm not physically attracted to. That's when it hit me. Love isn't enough if desire is missing, and no matter how much someone cares about you, if they're not drawn to you, you're already losing. I'm not making this video to hurt you. I'm making it because it hurt me. And because if you keep telling yourself looks don't matter, you'll keep ignoring everything you could be doing to change your life. Looks matter because biology doesn't care about your personality. Your brain scans faces faster than your conscience can speak. It's not cruelty, it's survival. Hormones, dopamine, a bit of unresolved trauma. They call it chemistry, but it feels more like a firing squad. You don't fall for someone's soul at first glance. You fall for what your instincts recognize. Health, symmetry, youth, confidence. That scan happens in milliseconds, and by the time you're talking about shared values, your body already voted yes or no. Call it shallow, or call it human. Either way, denying it won't make it less true. Harsh? Good, because you do it too. You say you care about personality, but you're not out here interviewing souls at coffee shops. You look, you swipe, you judge, and if there's no spark, there's no second date. Sometimes, not even a first. There are brilliant people stuck behind average faces, and no one's giving them a shot because their cover didn't sell. It's not noble, but it's real. Looks are emotional marketing. You either generate clicks or you stay invisible. And guess what? You're your own trailer. Are you working on it or waiting for someone to fall in love with a loading screen? People want chemistry, and chemistry smells. It touches. It has shape. Love without desire is just a friendship in disguise. Desire without attraction, a polite lie. They told us real love is unconditional. Sure, but even real love wants to be kissed, held, pulled closer. This isn't about chasing beauty standards. It's about wanting someone who makes your body react, not just your brain. And yes, you can love someone and still wish they looked different. That doesn't make you evil, it makes you human. The question isn't whether looks matter, it's how long you're going to lie about it to protect your ego. Here's the upside. You can build a body you respect, one that reflects effort, self-worth, and discipline. Not to please others, but to stop hiding from mirrors. Ever been drawn to someone who wasn't your type? Turns out they were your trauma's type. We're not always chasing beauty, we're chasing patterns. Your ex, your first heartbreak, your unhealed attachment. Sometimes you're obsessed with a smile that reminds you of someone who destroyed you. You call it vibe. Your brain calls it unfinished business. Attraction is often just recognition in disguise. You're not pulled in by perfection. You're pulled in by familiarity. Even when it hurts, looks matter because we assign meaning to faces, signals, symbols, echoes. You think you're falling for someone new, but your subconscious knows exactly who they resemble. And unless you figure that out, you'll keep chasing faces that feel like home, even when home was a war zone. When a hot person says, "It's what's inside that counts," it sounds virtuous. When someone average says it, it sounds like damage control. The line doesn't change, but who says it makes all the difference? We love to pretend we're deep, but if looks didn't matter, no one would wear makeup, no one would use filters, no one would lie with their best angles from 5 years ago. Looks matter because they open, or slam shut, the door before you ever speak. And the ones yelling, "It shouldn't be like this," are often just hoping no one sees what they're hiding. This isn't about becoming obsessed with your appearance. It's about taking accountability, about becoming someone you're proud of, on the outside too. Because whether you admit it or not, desire has eyes. Saying looks don't matter is like saying hunger doesn't matter when there's no food. Of course they matter. Yes, what's inside sustains love, but what's outside invites it in. So stop hiding behind pretty phrases and start becoming someone whose body tells the truth.